These windows.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favour?
No, I can't. I'm filming. It's chomping away. Can't believe.
It's a hungry cricket. Respect. When did Katie want you to have her, did you say?
She wanted me to have her. Oh, I'll tell you. I'm filming. Oh, it's unbelievable. Oh, I'm going to send this to David Attenborough. It's cleaning itself now. I can't believe... Oh, you should see it. That'll do.